सरपंच कावन्सिलरांनी मालमत्तेचो पुराय हिशोब लोकायुक्तास आमकां सादर करचो म्हण हालींच सर्क्युलर काडिल्लो। ह्या सर्क्युलरा अंतर्गत सरपंच कावन्सिलरांनी पुराय हिशोब दाखोवचो म्हण सरकार खबरदारी घेतले अशें यूडी मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसुजा उलयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी जोसेफ फेर्नांडीस।
The municipality sarpanch who don't submit their liabilities to the Lokayukta, there will be some action from the urban development will be taken.
No, the Lokayukta asked the BMA and the councillors to give a affidavit regarding the list of assets. So that we are doing. We have no control over the panchayats. We have the urban local bodies. So that will take care of that all councillors give the list of assets, income, so that it is our responsibility to do that much. We cannot proceed with the panchayats. Director of Panchayat has to take care of that. But that order was only for the municipality. Although I am trying to put that in the Act itself. At the moment it is not in the Act.
Okay.
The Lokayukta order is by them, which is, as per my knowledge, is not strictly enforceable that way. Because it's not part of the Act.
So in the municipality act.
We are making amendments so that we bring the transparency that whatever assets the councillors have are given every year, like the MLAs. And that will be part of the disqualification also.
Okay. So you will be adding that clause also.
That clause, if you don't do it, then you get disqualified.
Municipality act you are putting or
Municipality act.
those who are not furnishing, then you will be liable for disqualification.